Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. Video in English today, because I would like to speak to you about a matter I had with my my Intercom. As you probably know, I have bought a Cardo FREECOM 2X about a month ago, and my friend George was the guy that actually adjusted the systems on my helmets. So last week I had a problem in both of them, and especially both of them had a problem with the attachment on the helmet. This is my wife's helmet, an LS2. And suddenly the harness here just fell off. So what I will try to do today is to remove the original harness and use a 3M tape that I bought, and according to the specifications of the tape, this is a better one that can last in high temperatures, etc., etc., etc. As you know, I'm living in Crete. We have high temperatures here, but well, I'm feeling very disappointed about the fact that both intercoms had this problem. So first of all, I will try to take this off, clean the space under it using isopropylic alcohol, and then try to add the harness again with a new tape. So stay tuned, and let's go together to do the steps one by one. Okay, first of all, removing this one. So that was it. Pretty straightforward, I think. So I will leave this tape to work for 24 hours and then I will attach the unit. But it feels very strong and I hope I will not experience any other problems and issues. So just I removed the harness, I removed the old tape which was not so good. I used some tape from 3M, okay, and I attached the harness again. I will do now the same for my helmet, and I will keep you posted and informed about how the new tape will behave in driving conditions. So that was our video today. Thanks for being with me here. I hope I help you with this info I gave. Well, it looks pretty nice, huh? Until our next video, be well, ride safe, make your subscriptions, and any questions I will be glad to answer them. See you.